In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar widget to your iPhone. So first, what you want to do, subscribe to the channel. You want to long hold and then click on top left on the plus icon. Then we want to scroll until we see the calendar. Now I have Google Calendar and I also have the Apple Calendar. So let's say you want to use Apple Calendar, just click on it and then you will have multiple options what you want to do with them. So then you have like a mini calendar, more calendars, a bigger calendar with the things on the right side, a bigger list. So you have a lot of different options, and then what you do is just click widget, then click on done, and you have it on your phone. Now if you want to remove it, long hold, click remove widget and remove, and now you have successfully removed the widget. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll help you out.